So real quick, I have a new custom clothing factory for you guys that I want to share with you because it covers everything that you guys have been asking for.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
What's up, icons? It's the iconic fashion figure for those of you that are new here. And I'm in the middle of working right now, so I'm gonna be quick, but I really wanted to share this factory with you because I promise you it's everything that you've been asking for. It covers all bases. So you remember how I was telling you about how in 2024 I was so disappointed of not being able to accomplish the things that I had planned for myself? Well, it's happening this year. In 2025, I'll be opening Riche Stitch, my factory that I've been waiting to do for a while now. Me being sad and depressed about the time and money that I invested in 2024 trying to get this started by the end of 2024, it's actually happening this year. So no need for me to be sad anymore. I'm actually happy that it didn't work out in 2024 like I hoped for, because there's so much more that I'm going to be doing with it this year that I couldn't have even planned in 2024 if I wanted to. I would have just rushed to get it done. But there's so much more that I'm going to be doing this year. So I'll be sharing more details with you soon, but I just wanted you to know to get ready because it's getting ready to happen. It's in God's will, so it doesn't matter what happens this year. God already said it's happening. 2025 Riche Stitch will be open. So if you already signed up for those email notifications, I've already transferred you over to the official Riche Stitch email list. But if you haven't yet, I'm putting a link down in the description box and in the comments where you can go ahead and sign up, because I promise you, you don't want to miss this. It's not only just a factory. Let me be very clear on that, because you guys know I can't just leave you hanging by producing clothing for you and sending you on your way. I am going to be doing so much more to be able to help you from point A to point Z. Even those of you that don't understand manufacturing and you may need help, you don't know too much about designing, I'll be helping you with that as well. I promise you, I have all bases covered for this. So even those of you at the very beginning just still trying to figure out your path, I'll be there to help you with that. And then the other good thing about this, for those of you that are currently members of Nouveau Riche Apparel, all my products will now be produced in the US, including my private labeling, which means quicker turnaround times. That gives me more control. For those of you that are designers yourselves and you actually sew your own products, so you don't need someone to manufacture for you, I even have stuff for you as well. I'm telling you, this is going to be the all-in-one. I am actually going to be accomplishing my 10-year goal that I had set for myself. If you guys look back on one of my old videos where I talked about my 10-year plan, it was the video where I hit 5 years and I talked about what I wanted to do in the next 5 years. I'll be accomplishing that this year, by God's grace. I'm in 8 years right now, and I'll be hitting my 10-year mark at 8 years. So even in the worst of times, it can be one of your greatest blessings. So I'm very grateful for this. I'm excited to share all the details with you guys very soon. Be on the lookout this month of May, because a lot of it is going to be coming out this May. So make sure you follow Riche Stitch on all platforms so you get all of the announcements. I'll have them all linked down below. And then I'll even have a YouTube account specifically for Riche Stitch, because I know the iconic fashion figure platform has mainly been focused on helping boutiques when it comes to finding wholesalers. I won't stop that. I'll continue doing that. But Riche Stitch will focus more on the manufacturing side of things. So those of you that really want to learn designing and manufacturing your own products, custom products, even just learning printing, because I will be doing printing at Riche Stitch, then that will be more of the YouTube for you. So that'll also be linked down below, where we'll deep dive into the manufacturing side of things. Of course, I'll have like the behind the scenes footage of my factory once it is open, so that way you guys can understand truly how it all works. But that's all I'm going to say in today's video, because I do need to get back to work. I do have a lot to do. Clearly, this time is going by really fast. So that's it. Make sure you guys follow Riche Stitch all social medias. If you want to receive the email alerts for when I will start the consultations this summer, make sure you sign up on richestitch.com. And I hope you have a blessed, wonderful day. Thank you for watching.